Day 4. This is the dress that is sent for me. Basically, we don't get to decide हम कौन से episode में क्या पहनेंगे because they have an idea कौन किस में अच्छा लगेगा. But yeah, this is what they sent. So basis this, I decided to wear my curtain bangs and I thought मैं अपने hair एक ponytail में कर लेती हूँ, which is what exactly I did. और मैं अपना एक hair pin का box भी लेके साथ में हर जगह घूमी हूँ इस season में. You don't get to see it though, but this helps me a lot. Hair pins and hair ties when you're traveling, very, very essential. So what I did was I put my clip and curtain bangs first, then took rest of my hair into a ponytail. Now this morning was very special क्योंकि आज सुबह मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैंने कल रात को तो हरमन जो कि एक ट्रेटर है उसको किल कर ही दिया है. So आज का दिन either I catch a traitor या मैं मर्डर हो गई हूँ या तो मैं अगले दिन मर्डर हो जाऊंगी. So basically I'm surviving literally on my last leg. So I want to look banging, hence the bangs. So tied my hair. I wore this neck piece. Actually pretty much अभी set ही हैं ये. You'll see the episode and you'll see how much these bangs have survived. These earrings. For this particular day, they haven't called us till 5 PM and I am 100% sure आज मैं मर गई हूँ क्योंकि कल मैंने एक ट्रेटर को पकड़ा. मैं रेडी होके बैठी हूँ ऐसे मैं रेडी होके एटलीस्ट 3 से 3.5 घंटे अपने रूम में बैठी हुई हूँ where you have no contact with the outside world. You can't talk to anybody and I just didn't feel like watching TV. At that point we have TV, we don't even have watches this season. They were like you can't keep a watch, so मैं सिर्फ TV on करती थी time देखने के लिए. That's the only thing I'm checking कि अब तक नहीं बुलाया and they've called me finally और मैं ऐसे गई हूँ ready होके. Now there are 2 ways they call you. Also one part that I missed out, आपको रोज सुबह उठ के अपने suitcase pack करके रखने होते हैं because if they call you for video diaries, which means you are going to sit in front of the camera on that little lounge chair जिसपे एक envelope होगा जिसमें लिखा होगा whether you've been killed by the traitors or it would sometimes say just for fun it can say कि आज आप नहीं मरे हैं आप एक दिन और enjoy कर सकते हैं, which was even worse. Luckily I was out of these 4 mornings I was not called even once in the video diary room. So having that anticipation कि मैं मरी हूँ नहीं मरी हूँ, suitcase packed है, 5 बज चुके हैं and then when they've called, but luckily that day, not called to the video diaries room, I was stepping down and I've seen Riya, Rida and we're just having a little small talk and I've cramped, I'm alive. And then we have to step down towards the breakfast room where we are told to knock and wait. So we can't just go in. You may hear सब लोग breakfast table पे कहते हैं come in. वो नहीं होता. Knock and then we build the suspense कि कौन अंदर enter हो रहा है and then finally we go in. And I remember I was wearing a ring also. It was a raisin ring that morning. उस morning anticipation में बैठी हूँ कौन मरा है कौन नहीं मरा है. And I found out हम 5 बजे क्यों आए हैं उस दिन. Because सुबह एक कोई secret mission हुआ है जिसमें अंश, शालिनी जी, क्रिस्टल and रणवीर सर गए हैं and I figured out it's a trial. So trial is a thing where traitors can pick 4 players and they can choose to put themselves in it also ताकि उन पे कोई doubt नहीं करे. कुछ secret mission होता है उसमें तो कोई एक मर जाता है. Last year एक episode में ऐसा हुआ था they picked out 4 people and उनमें से फिर एक during the day murder हो गया था. इसमें during the night murder हो गए हैं. Ansh and Shalini ji is entered. Karan sir is holding 2 portraits of Ranveer sir and of Crystal. And मेरा है कि अगर रणवीर सर मरे हैं तो पक्का क्रिस्टल है because I had a doubt on her और मुझे डर था कि क्रिस्टल अपने आप को उसमें डालेगी to show that she is an innocent. Worked exactly like that because जब सर दोनों पोर्ट्रेट लेके खड़े हैं एक नॉक हुआ है and that's when I've gone like oh and my ring has broken ऐसे पड़ाक करके मेरे हाथ में and crystals entered and बाकी आप एपिसोड देखिए you'll get to know.